Hello friends, today I released an old technique that was sold with the 60 seconds to trade ebook. It has never been released before, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Fortunately, these tests was made with real money, and for this, you can trust us. Remind that this is not an investment advice, and that you need to try this method on your demo account. It requires a lot of patience. The results are amazing and they have demonstrated a percentage of success around the 99%. The Trinity strategy does not provide many signals, but for this, we can be sure of its efficiency. Right. It's the moment to start with our new tutorial. First of all, I remind you to set the IQ option chart with 1 minute candlestick. Then, select the 3 windows chart, like I am doing in the video, and choose your disposition. I like 2 windows on the left, and 1 window on the right of the screen. Very well. Now, select the same asset on each window. In this case I selected the asset Euro American Dollar. Proceed to set the indicators. On the first window, apply the Bollinger Bands with a period of 6 and do the same thing on the second window on the left. On the right window you need only to apply an EMA with a period of 100. If you want, change the color. The next step is to set 5 seconds candlesticks on the first window, leave 1 minute candlesticks on the other windows. I advise to zoom out your charts and zoom in, because maybe the indicators need a refresh. Well guys, now we must do an essential step. We must check investing.com to study the economic calendar and the trend of some assets before trade. First of all, click on News, then on Economic Calendar. Now we must check what is happening in this moment. We can find an important news at 4 p.m. but, fortunately we are trading at 4:30 p.m. It means that we can be sure that the volatility will not undergo big leaps. Now we must check the trend. Go on Technicals. Then go on Technical Summary. Here we can check the trend of an asset on 4 different expiry time. If we click on Customize, we can choose our preferred assets. For example, we choose American Dollar Canadian Dollar and Australian Dollar American Dollar. If you click on See More Instruments, you can choose other currencies. Now you need to set the expiry times before you trade. For the column 1, we choose 5 minutes. For the column 2, we choose 15 minutes. For the column 3, we choose 30 minutes, and for the column 4, we choose 1 hour. Now you need only to click on Apply. As you can see, we have a clear situation for our preferred assets, and we can see that Euro used and used CAD have a strong trend on all their expiry times. Perfect. Now, come back on IQ option platform. The rule of this strategy is that we must invest when a 5 seconds candlestick and a 1 minute candlestick break the lower or the higher Bollinger Band at the same time. Clearly, we must invest following the trend direction of the moving average, and the trend indicated on investing.com. In fact, here we have a descending moving average, according with the strong sell of investing.com. To take a Trinity signal, we must be very patient and very focused. In this video we show for the first time what you must not do, because we think that a good lesson is also to make a mistake, proving our honesty. Well, now we must only wait the right moment. Maybe that 5 seconds candle and 1 minute candle are breaking the higher Bollinger Band. I prepare to invest $10 on put, because the moving average is going down and the trend is strong sell. Well, I invest on put. Okay, stop a moment. In this case I am wrong, because the 5 seconds candle break the band, but the 1 minute candle doesn't break the band. Probably this trade will go out of the money. This is a thing that you never do. Never, trust me. Also, if I was wrong, this trade would have gone in the money because the candle is red. Anyway, now that we have shown what is not to do, we are going to search another good moment. Well, like in the previous case, a green 5 seconds candle and a 1 minute candle are breaking the higher Bollinger Band. I prepare another investment of $10. Now is the right moment. I invest on put. As you can see, this time I chose the right entry point. Surely, this trade will be in the money. Wow! Our trade went in the money. Now, before searching another good moment, come back on investing.com and check again the trend. Maybe in these minutes something is changed. At this time there is only a medium volatility new. It is not bad. Now come back on the technical summary and search for the better asset to trade. Our assets have the same previous conditions. Now I try to search another good moment. Unfortunately, after many minutes, nothing happened. I try to add a new currency on the technical summary. I add Euro GBP on my favorite assets. Let me check if we have a good moment to open another position. I advise you to sign up on investing.com, because in this way your settings will be saved. While I am searching another good moment, I remember you that we are using real money. Well, on the Euro GBP asset, a red 5 seconds candlestick and a 1 minute candlestick are breaking the lower Bollinger Band. I prepare to invest $10 again. I invest now. As you can see, also at this time I chose the right entry point, and probably also this trade will be in the money. I remind you that the trend of this asset is strong sale, and that the moving average is going down. Wow, guys. Another in the money at the first attempt. Trinity strikes again. Well, as you can see, the Trinity strategy has not many signals, but for this we have often reliable and profitable investments. Before closing this video, we want to give you some rules to avoid false signals. Never trade when Bollinger Bands are too compressed. Never trade when candlesticks are too short. Choose always a moving average, according with the investing.com information. Don't trade on the market's overlap. Well, that's all, friends. We hope that you enjoyed this new strategy, and like ever, we hope to see you soon, richer than now.